In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an application in Zoho Creator. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along and build your app without feeling overwhelmed. Zoho Creator gives you a few different ways to start a new application, which is helpful whether you want something generated quickly or you prefer to build it more manually. To begin, open your web browser and go to your Zoho Creator account. Once you're signed in and on the main dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. This is where you'll manage your apps, forms, and workflows, so it's useful to know where everything lives before creating something new. Next, click on the option to create an application. This is the starting point for building a new project in Zoho Creator. After you click it, you'll be taken to a screen where Zoho gives you several ways to create your app. This is important because the platform is designed to work for different kinds of users and different skill levels. On this screen, you can choose whether you want to create your application using AI, build it from scratch, use a gallery template, or import a file. Each option serves a different purpose. Creating from scratch gives you full control. Gallery templates can save time if you want a pre-built structure, and importing a file can be useful if you already have existing data or a framework prepared. For this walkthrough, we're going to choose the Create Using AI option. This is a great choice if you want to speed up the setup process and let Zoho help generate the foundation of the app for you. Go ahead and click that option. Once you're in the AI creation area, you'll see a place where you can enter your prompts. This is where you describe the kind of application you want to build. Be as clear and specific as possible, because better prompts usually lead to better results. For example, instead of using a very short description, explain the purpose of the app and what you want it to help you manage. After entering your prompt, simply click Create. Zoho Creator will begin generating the application based on what you provided. From there, just follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Zoho will guide you through the remaining setup, and you can review the app as it takes shape. That's it. Once you complete the on-screen prompts, you'll have the foundation of your new application ready to explore and customize further inside Zoho Creator.